Hello dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to start with exercise 1C, that is addition of rational number. Okay, till now we have done number line and introduction of rational numbers. So now we will do addition of rational number. I have prepared a short note for you with some key points you can see over here, of whose images I will share with you. So please don't worry. Okay, right now I will do the explanation part for you. So let's start. I will in this I'm not starting with theory. I'm starting with sums. I'm explaining you sum by sum, and I'll tell you the theory part also in that. Okay, and yes, few students, before I forget, no need to write theory right now in notebook. I don't want you to waste time in all this. Yes, you can read from textbook, which I have PDF I've already shared with you. Okay, so let's start with exercise 1C, that is addition of rational number. Okay, so first one, it is given the quotient is minus 2 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. As you can see in the video, minus 2 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. Okay, so we know it is addition we are doing. So first of all, I need to put the sign of addition. I will write it as minus 2 upon 5 plus 4 upon 5. Okay, usually we do this kind of sums by taking LCM, but we already know, we can see that the denominator is same. When the denominator is same, there is no need of taking LCM. We have a common denominator, so directly we need to add. So we can write it as minus 2 plus 4 with a common denominator 5, as the denominator is same. So now we can simply do it. We know plus 4 minus 2 will be 2 upon 5, and that is your answer. It is as simple as a normal addition what you do with whole numbers. It is just we are doing addition of rational number. Okay, one more I'll do for you so that other parts you can solve on your own. Okay, so I'll do sixth part for you. Sixth part is minus 17 upon 15 and minus 1 upon 15. Okay, so in this you can see both are minus, but what are we doing? We are adding. We have to add as given in the question. So I'll put the sign as usual, plus, you can put a bracket if you want so that you don't get confused. Now minus 17 plus bracket minus 1 with a common denominator 15. Okay, so now we know plus minus will be minus only. So minus 17 minus 1 will be minus 18 upon 15, and that is your answer. Okay dear students, so if you want to convert it in lowest term you can. If you don't, that is also fine. Okay, so here I'll repeat, plus minus 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 will do addition, and the sign of the bigger number, that is minus 18 upon 15. Very simple. So I hope now it is clear to you. This is only when the denominator is same. This thing you are doing, which the image I will share with you, in that also it is written. Okay students, so it was very easy, very simple. I'll move to the next sum, that is when the denominators will not be same. I'll show you how you have to do those kind of sums. Second one is, I'll start with the quotient only, 3 upon 4 and minus 3 upon 5. Okay, this also we are doing addition. So I'll put the sign first of all, 3 upon 4 plus minus 3 upon 5. Okay, so now you can see the denominator is not same. In this type of case, always what we do, we take LCM, lowest common multiple. You can do at the side if you want, or you can do in the rough, but here orally we know 4 and 5 LCM will be 20. So I'll write in a bracket, LCM is equal to 20. Okay students, now when we take LCM, we know how we solve. 3 into 5 upon 4 into 5 plus bracket minus 3 into 4 upon 5 into 4. This I have done to make the denominator common. So 3 into 5 is 15 upon 20 plus minus 12 upon 20. Students, I'm putting bracket again and again so that you and me, both of us, don't get confused while solving, so that you don't get confused with the sign, that whether plus was there, minus was there, or you forget one of the sign. When you put bracket, you don't forget signs. So it's my personal habit to always put bracket when I have to use two sides. So I want you also to do the same so that you never get confused with the sums. Okay, now we have made the denominator common by taking LCM. So what I will do now, as usual, as we did in the previous sum, 15 plus minus will be minus. So 20, it is 3 upon 20 is your answer. Okay students, I hope it is very much clear. Very simple. It is just as simple as normal addition or subtraction you are doing. You have to be just careful with the sign. If you take the proper sign, if you be attentive for that, it will be very easy for you and you will be easily able to solve. Okay, so I'll do one more type for you of the similar part. Second question, I will do fifth part for you. Fifth part, second question is 7th upon minus 18 and 8 upon 27. This you have to add. So now you can see the denominator is negative. So dear students, do you remember? If the denominator is negative, what we need to do? We need to make it positive first of all. Yes, because when we have to take LCM also, we won't be able to take LCM of a negative number. Okay, so what we are going to do, we'll make it positive. So we know it will become minus 7 upon 18 plus 8 upon 27. Now my denominator has become positive. Okay, and we can see both the denominators are different. What we need to do for that? LCM. When we take LCM of 18 and 27, if you want to calculate, you can. If you know, well and good. LCM is 54. Okay, LCM of 18 and 27 is 54. So as usual, what I'm going to do, minus 7 into 3 upon 18 into 3 plus 8 into 2 upon 27 into 2. Okay, so minus 21 upon 54 plus 16 upon 54. Now the denominators have become common. Yes, so I can solve it now. Minus 21 plus 16 upon 54. That will give me 5 upon minus 5 upon 54. Okay. Okay dear students. So now we will start with verify. Okay, your third sum is about verify. When you hear the word verify, you know you have to check on something. Okay, and when do we check on something? When we have two things to compare with each other and we see that whether they are verified or not. So same way we are going to do here. We have a sum. First part, third question, first part is minus 12 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7 is equal to 2 upon 7 plus minus 12 upon 5. If they have given equal to sign, we have to verify whether they are equal or not. So always when it is verify, always we have to do by LHS and RHS method. It is already mentioned in the notes I have made and I will send you the pic. In that you can read, always by LHS and RHS method. Okay, now already we have studied the addition. I would like to recall some few things. First and second sum we did about addition. There is one property known as closure property, of which I have already mentioned in the notes. I'll show you. Closure property, you can see. The property states that the addition, it is already given in the textbook PDF file, you can read. Still I'm reading for you. Closure property states that addition of two rational numbers is always a rational number only. Okay, it is not of much importance, but just you should know for knowledge. Okay, and now we are going to do this minus 12 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7 equals to 2 upon 7 plus minus 12 upon 5. So what we have to do, we have to take it as LHS and RHS. LHS means left hand side, that is the left hand side value. RHS means this. Okay, first of all we will solve LHS, that is minus 12 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7. As usual we have to do the addition part. We know denominators are not same. LCM is 7 of 5, LCM is 35. Okay, so minus 12 into 7 upon 5 into 7 plus 2 into 5 upon 7 into 5. Okay, so minus 84 upon 35 plus 10 upon 35. Now the denominators have become common. So minus 84 plus 10 upon 35 equals to minus 74 upon 35. Okay, so LHS I have got minus 74 upon 35. Same way I'll solve RHS. See, by looking you can say that both are same, only answer will come same. But when it is given that verify, always we have to do by this LHS and RHS. Don't be lazy in writing the steps and solving. Please students, for this only you get marks. Okay, so same way I'll be solving 2 upon 7 plus minus 12 upon 5. The same steps will follow. LCM equals to 35. Okay, same steps you follow, and finally you are getting the answer as, I'll show you it, 2 into 5 upon 7 into 5 plus minus 12 into 7 upon 5 into 7, that is 10 upon 35 plus minus 84 upon 35. So 10 minus 84 upon 35 will give me minus 74 upon 35. So I can say that LHS is equal to RHS. Okay dear students, so you have heard, and this is also known as commutative law. When when we add two rational numbers, we get LHS and RHS. Same, we can say it as commutative law. Also you can read in the theory part from your book. Okay, so I hope you all have understood about this. One more part I would like to do for you. The same question, fourth part I will do for you. 2 upon minus 7 plus 12 upon minus 35 equals to 12 upon minus 35 plus 2 upon minus 7. Okay, so first of all we can see the denominators are negative. So if the denominators are negative, what you need to do? You need to make it positive. Yes students, so 2 upon, first of all it will become minus 2 upon 7 plus minus 12 upon 35 equals to minus 12 upon 35 plus minus 2 upon 7. Okay, so my LHS I will be solving first similar way, and RHS I will be solving, and whatever I am getting I am writing at the last. LHS is equal to RHS. Okay students, in this only one thing I wanted to tell you, that if the denominator is negative, make it positive first and then you solve it. So you get this. Here also the same commutative law applies. Okay, so I hope now the other parts you will be able to do on your own, and it will be clear to you. Yes students, okay, so now it is done. I would like to tell you another verify also. This all sums are very similar, so I would like to teach you, and so that you can do on your ease the other parts of the sums. Okay, now I would like to go on fourth sum, which is also verify, but you can see there are three numbers. I'll tell you one question. You can see there are three numbers for the same, minus 7 upon 11 plus 2 upon minus 5 plus minus 13 upon 22 equals to minus 7 upon 11 plus 2 upon minus 5 plus minus 13 upon 22. Okay, see, it is verify. Again I will tell you that verify is done by the same LHS and RHS method. Okay, here are three numbers. So what does associative law states? Associative law states that any the numbers can be, आप किसी भी वे में इसको ग्रुपिंग कर सकते हो नंबर्स को, सो दैट इट्स इजी फॉर यू टू सॉल्व. आई वुड लाइक टू से लाइक आप देखोगे कि यहाँ पे आपको तीन नंबर्स हैं, थ्री नंबर्स आर देयर एंड यू हैव टू टेक आउट LCM. बट हाउ द ग्रुपिंग कैन बी डन लाइक कि minus 7 upon 11 अंदर आप ले लो minus 13 upon 22 एंड अब 2/-5 को बाहर ले लो. सो आई होप नाउ इट विल बी ईजी फॉर यू टू सॉल्व. पहले आप ब्रैकेट लेके 11 और 22 का LCM ले लो एंड देन सिंपल एडिशन. सेम वे फॉर RHS. RHS में भी आप 2/-5 को बाहर ले लो एंड -7/11 -13/22 एंड देन यू कैन सॉल्व. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो सी इसमें आपको सिर्फ एक चीज ध्यान रखनी है दैट द साइन, आपको साइन के साथ नंबर अंदर या बाहर करना है आपको, देन ओनली योर आंसर विल बी करेक्ट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो बस यही डिफरेंस है इसमें. रेस्ट एवरीथिंग इज नॉर्मल एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन व्हाट यू आर डूइंग एज वी हैव डन इन प्रीवियस सम्स ऑल्सो. इट्स वेरी ईजी, इट्स जस्ट बिट लेंदी. आई नो आपको थोड़ा लेजीनेस हो सकता है, बट प्लीज डोंट बी लेजी while solving. Try to do it and I'm very much sure that you will be able to do. Okay, the other parts, the rest are only 2 parts, so you will be able to complete it. Okay students, so and next is filling the blanks. Similar filling the blanks, आपको बहुत easy, आप जब देखोगे क्वेश्चन बुक में तो बहुत easy है filling the blanks. आपको ऑटोमेटिकली आंसर पता चल जाएगा. जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे हो मिसिंग हो वो RHS है, RHS में लिखना है. RHS में जो मिसिंग हो वो LHS में लिखना है. आई रिपीट, जो LHS में मिसिंग हो वो RHS में आ जाएगा, RHS में मिसिंग हो वो LHS में आ जाएगा. दैट इज द फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स. You have to write in the notebook. Yes, you have to write in the notebook. Please don't leave it. Okay. So I hope इतना आपको clear रहेगा and you will be able to do all the parts till 5th sum. You complete till here and then from the next additive, inverse and subtraction I will start in the next video. Students, whatever I am teaching you, please do it carefully, attentively. Don't be in a hurry कि मैम हम आगे कर ले और solve कर ले. Very good if you know you are all are very bright students, I know, but please go with the pace so that you understand the concepts clearly, not just for the sake of doing. Okay students, I hope it's clear. If any doubt or anything, I'll surely solve for you. Stay home, stay safe.